Hello, friends. Now, in the relationship, managing relationship tab, we have learned about the cardinality, which was the major part to learn as a concept. Now, there are two more features which are still left that we want to see. One is the cross filter, and another is the active inactive tab. To see this, we will directly jump to my Power BI data model and to the relationship which we have added in our previous videos. To check the properties, first I will click on the right click on this and we'll go into the properties. So now there is one option that is called cross filter direction. Currently it is single. If you see here in the denotation part, this option is the single is denoted by this. Let me add this into a bit. Let me do one thing. Let me close this. I'll keep it a bit ahead. Fine. Now it will be more visible. If I will focus only on these two relationships, then this arrow, this triangle is denoted by cross filter. Now let me open this properties. So currently the cross filter direction here is single, and this single is in the direction of from regional dimensional table to athletes fact table. That means regional dimension table can use the data of can used athletes filter fact as a filter, but athletes fact cannot use regional time as a filter. This is how this single cross filter works. What if I'll select it to the both? Okay. So now, so see this. Now this symbol is on the both the direction. That means now both the tables can use the data of each and another table simultaneously. Regional dim can also use athletes fact as a filter, and athletes fact can also use regional dim as a filter. So this is the way how cross filter works. I hope this is clear to you that why the cross filter should be single or both side in nature. One more thing that is there uh, in this relationship tab is this make this relationship active or not. Let's suppose we don't want to use this relationship as of now, but we don't want to delete it also. In that case, I can just untick this mark, and this relationship is now not active. Let me close this and see the difference. The line earlier, the solid line, has now been converted into the dotted line. So now this relationship exists. This relationship between regional dimension table and athletes fact is do exist, but currently is not it is not active. What is the effect of this inactive relationship in our report? So no, it is again back to old version when there were no relationship. So that means this relationship is not alive as of now. To make it live, again I will go to the properties. I will click this as active. I'll click it OK, and then my dotted lines are again has been converted into the solid line. And let's see if the report is also changed. Yes. So these are the three things that we need to focus in a relationship. One is the cardinality, another thing is the cross filter, and the third thing is the active and active tab. And I hope we learned about these three tabs perfectly. Now it's time to apply the entire relationship to my all the four tables. So in the next video, we will apply the relationship to my all the four tables, and we will see, and then we will go ahead for further things to study. Till now, thank you.